So today we are going to learn Science subject, Chapter 1 with lesson objectives to observe and identify different kinds of plants and their parts, to learn about the different parts of a leaf and their function, and to be able to draw leaf and label its parts, to learn about the role of leaf in photosynthesis. So just look at these two pictures, children. They have gone for a garden walk. So there are different kinds of different types of plants are there. Can you identify? Okay, there is a green grass. So which kind of plant it is? Is it a herb or a shrub or a climber or a creeper? It's a herb, right? Are you able to see any shrubs in that? Yes, there are bushy plants which are called as shrubs, and you're able to see some climbers also. Yes, when you're going around. So these are the different kinds of plants. So here also there are the different kinds of plants. So can you can you make a brief note of the features of herbs, shrubs and trees? What are herbs? Herbs are small plants, right? Shrubs, bushy plants, right? So like that you have to brief some points about the herbs, shrubs and trees. So trees are tall plants. The tall plants are called as trees. Now, what are the parts of a plant? Let's see what are the parts of a plant. Leaves, root, stem, fruits, flowers. So these are the parts of a plant.
These lines in the leaf support the leaf, just like the steel bars that support a building. They have many other important functions too. And what are these structures? They are stomata, which means mouths in Greek. Do they not resemble tiny mouths surrounded by swollen lips? What is their function? Today, we will discuss all these and some other interesting aspects of a leaf. Are you ready? An interesting part of a plant. This broad green part of the leaf is called the lamina. The part of a leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called the petiole. Do all leaves have petioles? These lines on the leaf are called veins. Just as we have fingerprints, leaves have distinct shapes and vein patterns that help us identify what plant they belong to. Do you see a thick vein in the middle of the leaf? This vein is called the midrib. The design made by veins in a leaf is called the leaf venation. The veins consist of tissues which are important for the transport of food and water. If this design is net-like on both sides of midrib, the venation is reticulate. In the leaves of plants such as grass and iris, the veins are parallel to one another. This is called parallel venation. In the form of vapor. Do leaves also breathe? Trees drink water through their roots and send it up to all parts of the tree through the stem. Leaves use the water they need and breathe out the excess in the form of water vapor. Water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor by a process called transpiration. Each leaf is like a chef. It makes food for the plant with the help of water and minerals from the roots, carbon dioxide from air, and a green substance present in them called chlorophyll. Some
Here we are there. We have seen the video and we have understood what is there in the leaves. What are the different parts of the leaves? So here we are going to have a small readout of what are the green about the plants which are our green friends, and then we will be discussing more about it further in further classes. So our plants are green friends. Let's find out parts of a leaf. Stomata. These are small openings on the lower surface of the leaf called stomata. Stomata help the leaves to exchange gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide with the surroundings. So it is helping in the exchange of gases, helping in the exchange of gases of oxygen and carbon dioxide. And the stalk helps in attaching the leaf to the plant. So this is a stalk which helps which is acting as a bridge between the leaf and the stem. So this one you call it as stalk. And leaf blade, it is the flat part of the leaf. It is also called lamina. It can be narrow or broad. It is usually green in color due to the presence of the green color pigment called chlorophyll. So due to the green color pigment called chlorophyll, it is always green in color, the leaf blade. Veins. The tiny tubes running across the leaf are called veins. These veins help to carry food from the leaf to other parts of the plant. A leaf has only one main vein called midrib and many side veins. So these are the veins which have, right? And this is the green color, which is the chlorophyll. So the stomata are there, the stalk is there. So the leaf blade are also there. So children, so this is what is about the leaf, the parts of a leaf. Hope you might have understood it. So children, today we will be winding up this session. So what you have to